salvia. Did I see it one? What's that? Tiger. Perennials. Are you okay? Ito naman ay kinahagat ng daming lamok. Ayun. Lavender. Sylvia. No. Fuchsia. Is that fuchsia color? Fuchsia. That's not the one. Salvia. Lavender. What's the name of this? Fuchsia. Ito yata yun. Fuchsia. What's that? Ornamental onion. Perennials. Move a little bit. Oh my god, where is that? Ingay naman ito. Ay, hindi ko makita. Salvia. Ay, nako. Nalibog naman. Ito naman si fruit punch. Fruit punch. Oh my god. Ito nga yung ano. Shasta Daisy. Maganda din to. Maganda din yan siya. Eh, kaso kumuha na ako ng Daisy May banana cream. Meron ako nito. Banana cream. Come on, come on.